Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show the easiest way in order to add an Instagram feed to your Squarespace website so you can begin sharing all the posts that you're adding on Instagram directly on your site. Now I'm going to be doing this on the SEO Space site. We made the SEO plugin for Squarespace, and while we're not super active on Instagram, I want to make sure that we've got our feed on there so it's all connected up. Now in order to do this, all you're going to want to do is head over to the settings in the bottom left hand corner. From there, you're going to head over to third-party tools, and then you're going to go to connected accounts. Now, once you're on connected accounts, don't worry, you may not have connected anything here before. I've connected a few things. You're going to want to head to connect account, and then from there, you're going to click Instagram. And then from there, you're going to be taken over to Instagram in order to connect it to Squarespace. And as you can see here, I actually need to change it to a professional account in order to make sure that I can connect it to Squarespace. So in order to do that, all I would need to do is log out of my profile, log into my business profile, connect it up here, and then there'll be a direct connection between Instagram and your Squarespace site from here. Now, once you've actually done that, you're gonna wanna head over to the page that you want to add a feed to. So I'm just gonna click edit on our homepage. And let's say I wanted to add a feed at the bottom of our homepage. All I would need to do is add the section that I want to add the feed in. I'm going to add a blank section. And then from there, you're going to need to add block. Once you've added a block, you need to then type in Instagram. And then from there, you'll see the Instagram option from here. You can position it as needed. And then in order to make sure it's connected up to the right account, because you can actually connect multiple to your Squarespace site, if you double click on it and then go to the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see here, you'll be able to select the account that you want it to be connected to. Now, as you already know, I haven't connected my account yet. I need to log into my business one. So if you haven't connected one as well, you'll see here, there's this prompt in order to connect your Instagram account. So all you need to do is select the account. You can select how many items. So for example, if I make this 16, this is going to show the 16 latest Instagram posts from your Instagram grid. You can also head over to design, and here you've got the ability to turn it into a multiple different layouts, slideshow, carousel, the grid that you're all aware of. You can even change the aspect ratio. You can crop images. And most importantly, I always recommend that you select this, open links in a new window. So this actually means if someone clicks onto an image, it'll open the Instagram post in a new window, which basically means that Google isn't going to see it as someone's clicking on your website and leaving to go to a different page. Your website stays open, Instagram gets opened in the second window, which is actually going to boost you up search engines because Google is going to see that people are staying on your website for longer. So there you are, guys. That is a walkthrough of how to connect Instagram and then how to add a feed, an Instagram feed to your Squarespace website. If you found this video helpful, you want to get more Squarespace and Squarespace SEO tips, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll also add a link to sign up to SEO Space on a 7-day free trial in the description. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video.